ever tasted curry leaves korma? This recipe is very good. We don't find the curry leaves flavor, but it will be there, but it won't be disturbing for the kids because curry leaf is very good for health. It has so many health benefits and people don't eat that in a daily. What is that? In at least in a weekly basis we need to add this curry leaf. We can make it as chutney or podi, but it will be very minimum. It won't be that much sufficient, but people will skip that. So this will be very good. When you do this weekly once, you will get all benefits of curry leaves. Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to make curry leaf korma with mushroom and then a plain pulao, very simple pulao. About 2 spoons of oil, and sauteing onion, cashew, kismis and green chilies, star anise, cloves and kashkash, poppy seeds, jeera, curry leaves, ginger, sauteed well. We can turn off the stove and let it cool and make it a fine paste. First to the oil, about 2-3 spoons of oil. I have added onion, cashews and kismis, green chilies little, and then added poppy seeds, curry leaves, ginger, 5 to 6 cloves and star anise and little jeera. These are all the ingredients I sauteed. I am going to let it cool and then blend for a masala paste. Now I am going to saute mushrooms and tomatoes, mustard seeds, dried red chilies, a little half a spoon of dried red chili powder, chopped tomatoes, together we can add mushrooms, adding the gravy, sauteing the gravy, adding salt, For sour, tomatoes are there, but still, if you want more sour, you can add curd or amchur powder or lemon juice. After it is done, like 80% done, now it is 60% done. Let it cook for more 10 minutes so that the gravy taste will go inside the mushrooms. It's done, so I'm turning off the stove and I'm going to add little lemon juice. Before that, I need more salt. So I'm adding lemon juice. I'm going to make a pulao with just a methi, dried methi, kasturi methi. It's a plain pulao. A plain pulao for that. For that mushroom curry leaf korma, I'm going to make a combination, which is a plain pulao. Methi, kasturi methi, chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Just kasturi methi dried leaves and chili powder, coriander powder and salt. To that I am going to add rice. If you want, you can add ghee. Now this is ready to serve. இது வந்து mushroom curry leaf korma. Okay, for that a plain pulao, little spiced. If you want, you can add ghee. You want ghee? Do. பிடிச்சிருக்கா?
Yeah, very nice.